campaign. I was chairman of the state where there is insecurity, River State. When I took over as governor of River State, we are shooting everywhere. You can't even develop your land. As you develop your land, one member will walk in there and say, master, why are you doing this in our land? He said, that away, it's my land. He said, I will take care of this land now for you. And then they will open their suit, you will see God. You will not even develop again, you will run away. You will even dash him the land just to run away. 6 months into my administration, all that changed. All that changed. Because we knew what the issues were. We knew that the problem was economic. We knew that if you didn't provide a source of income or revenue for the people, they will provide for themselves. So what did we do? We provided agricultural development, so we had Songhai farm, about 370-something hectares of land. We trained farmers, we gave them funds, and gave them franchise to go and develop their own. We had family settlement. We had contracts awarded for rural roads. We had schools. Over 500 schools were awarded. By the time we left, over 350 completed. We had health centers in every village. We're not just smart. We're doing it because we want to create opportunities for people. By the time we created that opportunity, we then got our military trained and deployed them. By the time we deployed them because we wanted to show the people they are very qualified, believe me. Your former governor is qualified if he wants to work. The vice president is very eminently qualified. The professor, the pastor, is qualified. But check well, I come with experience. I come with experience to find solutions to this problem. I come with the experience of the fact that your people have seen me come several times to Abeokuta inspecting the railway. I'm not a big man minister. That's the way I was governor. I was the big man governor. I used to be on the road by 1 a.m. inspecting projects because I looked for solutions to problems. And I found solutions to problems when I was governor. And I come with sincerity and honesty. That you can't deny me. Being honest, my bluntness, some refer to my bluntness as being arrogant. No, I'm not arrogant. My parents were poor. I never had this knowledge. I saw, the first time I flew an aircraft was free when I was working at the Abuja airport as a youth corps. Going home, the general manager gave me a ticket. So I never had parents who could fly me, never saw a car. My first car was when I was 8 years old, as special assistant to the governor. First graduate in my family at I'm 56 years old. So I have no room to be arrogant. I have no room to be arrogant. I provide solutions to problems, and I don't sleep until those problems are solved. I don't call permanent secretary by phone. I go to the office. I go to the engineers. I go to site. My car got bought here in Abeokuta, inspecting the rail. By that time, there were no tracks. It was just medicine. We entered into a ditch, came out.
Desire to be granted by the Almighty God.
Amen.
I'm fascinated with your names, with the mixture of your names. Rotimi, Amaechi, yes. And the Rotimi sounds in Yoruba. I don't know whether you were raised in Yoruba land or you have a direct Yoruba connection. So that's number one. When you become the president, I hope you will, the burning issue, which is security, I don't know how you're going to tackle it. I know nothing is impossible for God. God on your side, but you probably have to speak on it because you are in government presently, and security challenges is all over. So how are you going to tackle it? Perhaps you can say a little bit of it.
Now, when you become the president of Nigeria, if you look, you have been traveling around the state. Unfortunately, you are traveling in the train. Our roads are very, very bad. We have no roads in our state. You don't have any plan for us, like you did in River State. What will you do for us? That these are quick problems to solve and life. Because the greatest problem Nigeria has is not debt, not borrowing too much. The biggest problem Nigeria has is revenue. We don't have money. And you know Nigeria, when we had money, was very arrogant. We are spending everywhere. The problem with Nigeria is the problem of elite management of the economy. So they have managed the economy to a point, and when I say elite, don't forget the politicians are elite. They manage the economy to a point where there is no money anymore. So to do those roads, you need to raise money. Not only oil. When you have diversification of the economy, this government has had diversification. Got a point, some of the governors politicized it when they wanted to. They said Ruga was based on religion, ethnicity, the outer plan. Why not keep it your own Ruga in your own state? Ruga has capacity to create 10,000 employment. What is Ruga? Farming settlement. So you build 1,000 to 2,000 houses in 100,000 hectares of land, give each person 10,000 hectares, or give each person 2,000 hectares of land. Give each person 2,000 hectares of land to farm, build house for him.
Amaechi. I allow people to ask questions so that they can ask him what they expected, that all is not lost yet. And I pray to God that the country will return to the country of our dream, the country that we hope has been destined to be the best country in Africa, the hope of the black man. Now you have spoken. He has asked you to verify whatever he said. And he told you that it's a matter of experience. 8 years governor. Before then, 8 years speaker. Almost 8 years minister. What else do you want in terms of paying his own years of service to the nation before asking you to give him the opportunity to lead? I pray that what you are looking for, God will grant it to you. You are not here for, you will not be here for fun at all. You are here to achieve your mission, which I pray that God will give you. You be to one when the balancing. Àdúrà ẹ gbogbo tó mú ẹ láti dé àwọn àwọn ẹlẹ́dàá ẹ Ọlọ́run àdẹ̀gbà fún ẹ àṣẹṣe fún ẹ òní ṣíṣe o wà á múlò wá débi tí gbogbo wa táìmù àrẹ̀bẹ̀ká dé. You will never have any cause to regret by the grace of God. So once again, I welcome you. You had been here so many times when they were doing the railway line. For the first time, they took the railway line out of following the river Ogun, all the way to where you don't have enough people, leaving all the places where passengers will be picked up, because the British rail was to pick up produce, not human beings. His own railway was designed to take human beings as well as whatever farm produce. We thank God for you. We can never forget you in Egba land, because you brought the railway line to the place we least expected. You crossed the Ogun River and brought it to Laderi, from Laderi to the back of Oshele, back of Odega, all the way to Ibadan. Totally, we could never have imagined that's why it passed. We did this successfully. I want to thank you for the job well done. And like I said earlier, your mission, God will accomplish it for you. You will not come here in vain. You will not be traveling at night all over the place in vain. God bless you. I will not allow the representative of the governor to say one or two words.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.